Hello my dear. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to show you how to open Visual Studio Code using command prompt. First you have to make a new folder at desktop where you want to save your work. Let's name it coding. Next, open command prompt in search. Now write this command, as I saved the folder on OneDrive, so first I enter OneDrive, and let's check which directories are available there. Here you can see desktop, so I will go desktop first, then I will search for my folder that is coding we already created. Here it is. Now I will go to coding folder first. I will write the command over here, code space ... and press enter. That's it, Visual Studio Code opened now. Here you can see coding folder. Now you can write any code depending upon whether in .py format or .ipynb format. I prefer the last one. Thanks for watching this video. Please stay connected for upcoming videos. You will find some interesting knowledge about Python. Please subscribe my channel Digital World.